Now we're reaching the shaded part of the trail. I've stepped in poop a few times already. Oh my god. Might have to censor that. It probably wants to put like stuff like fun facts in there. Whenever you put fun fact, it's just annoying. You got fun facts are pretty stupid, if you ask me. And it draws away the viewers. Thinking like, oh, it's that kind of documentary. Actually, this isn't even a documentary. It's just a bunch of hikes. We'll figure out the sand dunes, then it'll be a documentary. Because we're gonna show you how to sled down the sand dunes. Last year we tried using tracer and it didn't work. Let's see if these sleds work, because I don't want to see my dad's ass. I swear I'm gonna be sitting at home laughing because the sleds don't work. Oh look, my dad's peeing. Hey Dad, I already caught you peeing on camera. We're gonna have to censor so much in this. You're just watering the plants, huh? See what kind of funny business that was up to. Dear God. Those poor rocks. Arrest them! Oops. Some interesting wildlife right here. Oh. Oh shit. Literally. Just gonna walk around this poop. Oh gosh, I think I stepped in some. Look at that green rock. Oh shoot. Yeah. Yeah. Please tell me we're gonna get to a shade sweat soon. Even though I know we probably aren't.